Glow naturally with this DIY Mulethi Face Serum. Want glowing, spot-free skin using natural ingredients? This DIY Licorice Serum is your secret weapon. Say goodbye to dark spots, dullness, and dryness, and hello to radiant, healthy skin. Mulethi, or licorice root, has been used for centuries to brighten and heal skin, and today, we're turning it into a powerful serum. Looking for a natural solution to pigmentation and uneven skin tone? You'll love this DIY Mulethi Face Serum. No chemicals, no harsh ingredients, just glowing skin with this simple, homemade licorice serum. This 4-ingredient serum fades dark spots, hydrates your skin, and gives you that healthy glow, all naturally. You'll need to add 2 teaspoons coconut oil to a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of glycerin for deep hydration. Next, squeeze in 2 Vitamin E capsules, rich in antioxidants. Now, add 1 teaspoon of Mulethi for its brightening magic. Mix thoroughly into a smooth serum. Mix it well until you get a smooth, even consistency. Leave it overnight or use before makeup for a natural glow. Glow the natural way your skin will thank you for watching. You will need more remedies. Please subscribe and like.